Hey there. I'm Bankston, your trusted guide to financial freedom. Welcome to Creditor Academy, where we put you in control of your financial future and unlock your full potential. Let me introduce you to the visionary behind it all, our CEO, Paul Michael. His mission: to arm individuals like you with the tools to achieve true financial independence and break free from traditional limitations. At Creditor Academy, our vision is clear: to make financial sovereignty accessible to everyone. Our mission? To equip you with the knowledge, strategies, and expert support to operate privately, build unlimited credit, and take full control of your wealth. With our powerful learning management system, LMS, you get exclusive access to expert-led courses, legal templates, case studies, and real-world insights into the private sector. It's designed for action, so you can start seeing results fast. Here at Creditor Academy, we guide you through 3 powerful pillars of success. With expert-led training, personalized account managers, and lifetime access to our ever-growing resource library, Creditor Academy isn't just education, it's a movement toward financial empowerment. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Join Creditor Academy today and take charge of your financial destiny.